Hey guys, wanna know how to add vignette effect to your images just by using BeFunky? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first off, open up your favorite browser and type in befunky.com. This will redirect you to its official website. Now make sure you are signed in as well. Now on the dashboard, you can see photo editor. Click on it. Now once you're there, just simply, in order to import images, click on open and choose any that you like. Now once you've imported your image, in order to add the vignette effect, make sure you are on edit and scroll down until you see brightness. And right here, you can see vignette. Just simply click on it. As I move this radii right here, the vignette takes place. Now you can adjust these dots for the intensity of vignette as well. So as you can see, you can also use square and linear as well. So I'll just go for radial this time. You can also change outer color, maybe white, red, or whatever you like. Once you're done, just simply click on apply. But since this has a paywall, you need to upgrade to premium first. You can also change the opacity, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.